Remember, you can get interactive with us on Twitter at KTN News KE. Use the hashtag KTN News. Well, and we in studio have constitutional professor and advocate Ben Sihanya and the constitutional lawyer Kamodho Waiganjo. They'll be helping us look at the BBI verdict at the Supreme Court today. Our sign language interpreter this evening is Damien Evans. Let's kick off this bulletin. Hopes of President Uhuru Kenyatta and his handshake partner Raila Odinga to revive the push for constitutional reforms through the Building Bridges initiative have been dealt a final blow after the Supreme Court ruled that the Constitution Amendment Bill 2020 is unconstitutional, effectively stopping reggae. 6 out of the 7 judges ruled that the president cannot lead a popular initiative to amend the Constitution. Duncan Haemba starts our bulletin tonight with that story.
Proponents of the BBI constitutional amendment of 2020 have suffered a supreme blow in the hands of the judiciary after the BBI reggae was stopped for the 3rd time by the court.
The second schedule of the Constitution of Kenya Amendment Bill 2020 is unconstitutional for being in breach of Article 10(2) and 87(7)(a) of the Constitution of Kenya 2020 for lack of public participation.
On the matter of IEBC and the satisfaction of requirements of public participation, the 7-judge bench was unanimous.
There was no obligation under Article 10 and 257(4) of the Constitution on IEBC to ensure that the promoters of the Constitution of Kenya Amendment Bill 2020 complied with the requirements for public participation. Unanimous.
The thrust of the judgment being that President Uhuru Kenyatta cannot champion constitutional changes through Article 257 of the Constitution. He can only use his parliamentary muscle to effect amendments.
The President cannot initiate constitutional amendments or changes through the popular initiative under Article 257 of the Constitution.
The highest court in the land ruled that IEBC had requisite composition and quorum to undertake verification process of signatures under Article 257, sub-Article 4.
The question raised regarding the interpretation of Article 257(10) of the Constitution on whether or not it requires that all specific proposed amendments to the Constitution should be submitted as separate and distinct referendum questions was not ripe for determination.
With regard to the President's immunity while in office, the decision was unanimous.
Civil proceedings cannot be instituted in any court against the President or the person performing the functions of the office of the President during their tenure of office in respect of anything done or not done under the Constitution of Kenya 2010. That was unanimous.
Each party that appeared before the court was directed to bear their own costs. Duncan Haemba, KTN News.
Let's now take a look at how the individual judges pronounced themselves in the matters before the Supreme Court on the 7 different issues before the court. And the first